everybody. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up custom financing rules inside of ServiceTitan, so for Greensky. So once you're inside of ServiceTitan and you've gotten the Greensky custom financing set up, you're going to go to settings and you're going to search for financing and go to financing. This is going to pull up your financing settings. And what we're going to do is we're going to set up some financing rules for the Greensky custom financing. So what we're going to do is we're going to set up our default rules here, and we're going to click edit. And in this video, basically what we're going to do is we are going to pick our plan. So you're going to come through here, and this is the default. So we're going to go through and we're going to pick 1186. You can see all of our financing terms and conditions here. We're going to pick 1443, and we are going to go ahead and pick 6136. These are the different financing options that we're going to offer to our customers. I'm going to click next. And then basically we're going to tier these. So these tiers, what we're going to do is set up custom tiers. And these tiers basically allow us to show different financing options based on what the customer has turned on in there, based on what invoice or estimate we've shown the customer. So here, for anything, for any purchase, we're going to offer this plan 1186. And basically all you have to do is just assign a plan and then select from an available plan. So like, let's say for instance, we didn't have this one here, just select that plan there. Then we can set a spend threshold for another tier. We can add as many tiers as we want, as long as we have plans to fill them. And then for this one, the spend threshold to get access to this plan is $10,000. And then we've set up another one where the spend threshold is $20,000, and we've set a better another option for that. So basically, all of your tiers have to have a plan in them. And what we're going to go and do is go ahead and click next, review our tiers and review our selected plans, and click finish. And that's going to set our default financing rules inside of ServiceTitan. If you ever want to view them, you can always just click this I to re-review those.